What's going on, everybody? It's VQ Carbon Customs. I'm here to show off some products for the C8 Corvette. Here we have a full titanium exhaust. We also have them in stainless steel as well. This is the full exhaust. Also comes with the tips, all the hardware, everything you need. We got the stainless tips, the gloss tips, carbon fiber tips, and then we have titanium tips. And then we also have the carbon fiber versions of all those, because we're trying to do as many options as we can for you guys. And then we also have some cool steering wheels as well for the C8 Corvette or any other Corvette or any other car. We'll take care of you. And the last thing, we have the C8 Corvette. We also have hoods in stock as well. So just give us a shout, VQCarbonCustoms.com. We also own Corvettes here as well, so we know exactly what we're doing, and we'll take care of you.